Okay, folks. All right. Blood-based rally today. I did add to. I did add to the short side, and the reason is I'll go to the chart. A couple of charts actually. Here's QQQ, 65-minute view. So you can see they gapped us up. They tried to take it down. They filled the gap, drove us up higher. What I'm looking at here is ADX, very, very overbought. It can go higher, but very, very overbought. Right for a pullback. RSI intraday nearly 82, and then when you go to the daily chart. Now here's your wedge formation. So we're probing the upper band here, so we can move up higher. But usually, what happens is you get a couple of days later, you get a reversal, and then we begin to weaken up here. Powell did a nice job today in front of Congress. I don't have any complaints. Obviously, the market doesn't either. When you take a look at yields are down. We're now up over a percentage point on the NQ. I'm thinking about buying more AI. A little cup with handle formation on a weekly chart. I'm going to buy more AI. God damn it. Fidelity. Okay, AI. Three 29.83 is the price. Now 8.4. Now 8.5. Oh boy. Come on. Let's see if that comes in. Joel. Hey, brother. You're welcome. All right. What else do we have here? I'm waiting for this price to come in a little bit. It's not giving me a break. I want to buy more AI. And the reason is you take a look at a 4-hour time frame here. A little cup, handle formation. I think that we are breaking out on AI. No, they're just bidding it. They're just bidding it. They're not pulling it back. 25.87 is probably going to be the price. All right, so we just added but over 50% more to our AI position, and we're filled 29.87, and we're looking for a breakout. FLNG looking good today. That's that natural gas play. Morgan Stanley is just ripping today. We have Palladium, which is up. Do we want to buy more here? PALL. Not really. Nah. I'm going to buy a little bit more SPSM. We've been dollar cost averaging into this one. I haven't done it this past week. Another few shares. Okay, that's filled 41.45. All right, we like to do the last hour, half hour of the trading day, managing our positions. You can always sell whatever time of day if you stopped out, but opening new positions better. Hey, Franklin, better towel in. Better off waiting to the final hour of trade. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Yeah, the small caps are treating as well. We went long of the rut yesterday. Woke up this morning, broke out. Remember, the Russell 2000 was down yesterday, but we had the KRE. And before I go into this, the KRE and the biotechs, KRE, the regional banks, biotechs make up a disproportionate amount of the Russell 2000. So yesterday, both were up, yet the Russell 2000 was down. So I said, you know what? The charts of IBB and KRE look good. Let's take advantage of this pullback in the rut, initiate a new position, one lot, literally only a one lot. Woke up this morning, broke out, doubled that position. That we've since doubled it again, and I think that it's a wise way to enter the trade. Excuse me, that was a wrong symbol. IBB. This wants to break out. IBB, this is the biotech, NASDAQ Biotechnology Fund, up 1.18%. The KRE is up 2%. This is a breakout today. Here's your wedge formation, daily time frame. Beautiful, beautiful breakout. I would not chase this. Probably going to get a pullback tomorrow morning. Very nice breakout on the KRE. So what are we getting on the IWM? Russell 2000 index. Looks as though we are setting up for a breakout. Now, what you need to have for the Russell to rally, besides biotechs and besides regional banks, you must have yields which are weak. And Jay Powell gave us a gift these past couple of days. NASDAQ really catching fire now. Closing out the session on pretty good volume. But remember that daily chart. And is it tomorrow? Tomorrow's Thursday, right? So we have economic data coming out tomorrow. That's the CPI. Volatility picking up. Vol is up on the day, not on the futures contract, but if you take a look at volatility, the volatility index, come on. You're going to have to take my word for it. The volatility index is up. Camera's slipping. Here it is. Finally, volatility is up nearly 2.75% on the day. That's kind of a tell. I'm going to add more SQQQ. $7.17 is the fill. Let's take a look at how AI is doing. Doing really well today here. Really, really well. Energy stocks looking good. Yeah, you know what? PayPal is an interesting one. I'm not seeing a great setup here, though. Nothing that makes it a compelling buy. If you wanted to sell premium, what kind of? You're getting some good premium, but you're probably going to have earnings coming up. That's why you have IV rank of 61%. Could sell puts here. But again, we have a lot of earnings coming up, so I'd be very careful. Bob, what did you take on ARK the other day? Talon was raving about. Yeah, we've been talking about it, and even when the markets were down one day last week, and in the morning anyway, and ARK was up along with the DRIV, which is the Autonomous Driving Fund, and I was very surprised to see that. This is a broad-based rally today. Look at IWM, really leading the pack up higher today. Here's ARK. It's actually pulling back on the day. It's better to go by laggards, I guess, because there are a few of them. Yields are down, natty gas down, volatility is down. That's not the index, the futures contract. Actually, that's the ETF. That's the ETF. I'm sorry. Dollar down. That's been putting a bid under silver. Junk bonds up. Real estate. I spoke about this one the other day, that real estate was looking very good on a weekly time frame. I think this is going. I think it's a buy. Here it is. DRIV. I think that this is going to break out. Weekly chart DRIV. Very, very speculative stuff here, but a really nice chart. You have a Bollinger Band squeeze setting up. Very, very nice. Staying pretty long here. Just went short DR Horton and IW in case and hot inflation port. Okay. Never hurts to have a little bit of VIX. All right, Talon. No problem, my friend. So my take on these names is that it's a dash for trash environment that we're setting up for. So, I added to shorts today on QQQ because it's extended, but it's like a pairs trade. Shorted Qs, bought small caps. So I'm not net bearish on the market. I just think that we're going to get rotation. And it looks as though the charts are validating that, especially with the move today in the small caps. All I need now is a pullback on the Qs, and that would make the trade really, really good. We'll see if that happens. With that, members, I will talk to you on Market Wrap. I'll see you there.